Where was I before the battery died? I think I was trying to get over here. Somehow, some way. These rocks are so slippery, so unforgiving. So hard to do with one hand. Yeah, I think I said that already. Oh, we're almost there. We are almost at the motherland, the mother of all waterfalls, the secret to your success. Oh my God. Dude, Mando, you're insane. Look at the insanity. Oh my gosh, I can't handle it. It's the most beautiful waterfall in the world. I've never seen such a waterfall. It's like heaven and earth collided and made the most beautiful creation that creation has ever seen. It's epic. It's insane. It isn't possible. There's no way it's possible. Look at Nendo. Holy shit, dude. What the fuck? Must cross this river. Hard to film with one hand and motorcycle attire on. Must keep pressing on. Can't give up. Camera is wet, but camera is still running because camera is a trooper. Oh my gosh, going down, not going down, going forward. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. Look at this, slimy, slippery, craziness, beautiful insanity. That is the most beautiful waterfall in the universe.